Call it how it is. Hit it. Promise you, swear. Every bit. Yo. Percocet. Miley Percocet. Percocet. Miley Percocet. Percocet. Represent. Gotta represent. Chase a chick. Chase. Never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Mask on. Gotta fucking mask on.
Hey guys, it's me Simran, and today I'm coming at you with a dorm tour. I have a standard triple, though I do feel like the standard triple does vary a little bit from college to college. A kresge triple dorm in a kresge apartment. Hopefully this video can help you out if you're either planning on coming to UC Santa Cruz or looking for dorm inspo on what you could do to your dorm, because dorms can be a little busted crusted and decorating them can be hard. I tried my hardest. I asked my roommates before filming this, obviously, and one of them was home when I filmed it, so I asked her if she wanted to show her stuff, so she shows you around her stuff as well, so you guys can see her stuff and my stuff. My other roommate was out of town though, so she didn't get to show her stuff, and I didn't feel comfortable going through her stuff, so I don't show that. But yeah, my apartment has a lofted bed and a double. I have bottom bunk, that's my stuff. If you have any more questions about like dorming and all that and just college in general, comment them down below, and I do have a bunch of college videos already up on my channel, such as my move-in vlog and college weeks in my life, so you can check those out in the eye. I'll link them over there, and yeah. Alrighty, so starting here we have the door once you enter the room. You can kind of see my shadow as well, but then when you turn over here, you have my side of the room. I'll do a little pan over. This is like my little corner, and then I have my bed area, but starting off over here, I have my calendar, which I got on Amazon. Let's just ignore the fact that my calendar says December in this and pretend like I just didn't update it. It's not like Britsy's also says December. It says March now. That's all that matters. It's still empty, but okay, back to the tour. And then I have this from Hawaii, this photo from prom, this random postcard that says I'm a banana slug for life, because I kind of am a banana slug for life. This from Squaw Valley, a picture of me and my mom when I was super duper little. This Save the Bees thing that someone gave me when I was like walking around, and I was like, alright, cool. And then another photo from prom, and then I have my calendar, which is empty, but I normally fill it out as the month goes. I don't know. Currently it's empty though. Over here I have my desk area. On top we have my Bob Ross poster. Don't ask why, it's just a thing, it's there. It'd be like that. What do you want me to do about it? I don't know. And then over here I have this like star thing, which I had in my desk at home, so I was like, why not bring that here? And then I have sunflowers, because sunflowers are my favorite flower. This card that my mom got me for my birthday, and then my water bottle's there at the moment. Below it I have this collage we made in our core class, and I just put it there because I thought it added some more color to this area, because I feel like I didn't bring that many decorations for my desk area, just because I'm so used to my desk area being cluttered and I didn't want it to get messier. Then I have my water speakers and my laptop on this little thing, and then next to it I forgot to get something to put pens in, and I keep forgetting every time I go out, so I have this like broken glass type thing.
My broken glass.
Yeah, my roommate's broken glass because someone broke it, and I was like, oh well, I'll use it for my pens, and it's like the perfect height.
Remember?
No, this one Jed broke.
No.
Oh, I broke this one?
Yes.
Alright, I guess I broke it and now I use it for like pens. But yeah, I have like my Expo markers and this color changing spoon from the Froyo place, because it's a super cool spoon and I don't want to throw it away. And then I have my water cup because I'm extra and apparently need 2 cups. Over here I have all my markers in my pencil. Like this one's all my markers, and this is like my actual like what I need for studying. If I'm going to the library, I'll take this. And this is for my water speakers because they're not plugged in at the moment. And then over there, I just have a little box full of Lara bars in case I need a Lara bar. I don't know. It just sits there and it's cool. And I have other granola bars in there as well. And the next to it, I have my hard drive, which is currently plugged in, which is why it's there, but normally it is not. I also have my chair, and I have this blanket on my chair because I always sit with my blanket wrapped around me. Opening up this drawer in here, I just have all like books. stuff for classes, textbooks, articles, like that type of stuff. My planner's here. This is my YouTube planner and journal, you know, those type of shenanigans. Over here in the first drawer, I have craft supplies. So I have my photo paper, my washi tapes, like stuff back there that I don't even want to get into, glue, adhesive, stickers, you know, that type of things over here. Second drawer is all tech stuff. It's all just my tech stuff. I don't know how to organize this stuff. If anyone has advice for that, let me know, because I never know how to organize this type of stuff. But I have like my terabyte, adapters, splitters, like tripods, my portable, my mouse, like just all those type of things. And in the last drawer, I just keep my shower caddy, so when I need to go to the bathroom, I can just take it with me. Pads, and then like my towels. I have a lot of towels. Don't ask me why I have a lot of towels. Over here, I have like my little dresser area, which is kind of cute. So first of all, over here, this is my roommate's bed. I'm not going to go into her area, but like on her bed, I put 2 hooks, because they said not to put hooks on the wall, but they never said anything about putting them on bed. So finesse the system. And I just have my backpack, and I always keep my backpack here so I can like pack my stuff, because my stuff's all here. And then I have like my wallet with my keys and my purse. And then on here, I just have like this little, I got this for Halloween, and I didn't end up being like a luau dancer for Halloween, but thank goodness I have that. I also have my whiteboard, which I was going to use for math, but then my floor mate drew out all this, and now I don't want to erase it because I don't even know what's happening, but it's kind of funny and cute. Here is where I get ready every day. So that mirror is from Ross. This is from Walmart. This is from, I think, Bed Bath Beyond. And then on here, I just have all my scrunchies, hoops, and bracelets. So like all like accessories or whatever. And this is from Bed Bath Beyond, I'm pretty sure. This mirror is from Walmart. It's, I don't know, it's actually Target actually, and it's literally falls apart and breaks every day, but it gets the job done, so we like it. And then I have all my makeup in here. In here, I have like little like mints and just like random little things. I have like little roller skates, a lock, a USB, just things that I don't know where to put them, so I just keep them there. In my makeup, I just have like my face stuff, lip and like mascara and all that, and then I keep all the brushes in here, so that they're all in one place. Super easy, super convenient, you know? When I open up this first drawer, in here I have all my face care, I guess, like skincare stuff. I have makeup wipes, contacts, like cotton balls. This is like my toner and all that type of stuff. Little band-aids, like just stuff like that. This is like my eye care, or just eyes. So I have sunglasses, glasses, my palette, my falsies, my lens cleaner for my glasses, contact solution, stuff for eyeshadow, just like eye stuff, I guess I call it. And then here I have hair stuff, so my straightener, hair dryer, and just hair products all over here. Next, I just have like underwear and stuff in there. And then lastly is like my little junk drawer of like extra stuff. Yeah, that's my dresser, my desk. And then we have my roommate's bed and her roommate's stuff and my roommate's desk. And then we have like my bed. So this is my bed. Here, I have the bottom bunk. My roommate who's in the room right now has the top bunk. And then my other roommate who's not here has the other bed. And she's not here right now, so I'm not going to go through her stuff. But on my bed, I just have, my bed sheets are from Bed Bath Beyond. My lap desk is from Bed Bath Beyond, I'm pretty sure. My tapestry's from Amazon. And then these my roommate got. So yeah, this is my little corner. Then we have her corner above. She has little Polaroid pictures up, and it's really cute. Half of them fell off. Half of them did fall off. And I did,
like on there with little clips, and the clips are not the best, but they're cute.
They are cute. I remember they like fall off and you'd ask me to get them. I'd be like, yeah, that ain't it.
Yeah, no, I haven't gone under your bed for a while, so like a lot of them are gone right now. They're all just under your bed. So I can crawl in there again and get them out. But you know, the girl's busy.
And then one of the great things about these string lights, because there's very limited like areas to plug your phone in and plug things in dorms, is that the string lights have an extension cord, so I can charge my phone at night, which is great, except I have to sleep with the lights on, but that's great. We also have a window over there. It's dark outside right now, and then there's a window over there, but that one's closed, and I don't want to open it, so yeah. I always just open my window, because like that's, I consider that my window, because it's like, I sit here 24/7, and I look out that window.
Our window?
No,
it's not our window, since my bed's up there, and it's like,
no, but you can't see out the window, so
I technically can.
Incorrect. Anyways,
I have my Little Mermaid and my Baby Groot bobblehead. I have my pictures. These are just like random pictures from throughout the years. I actually have to change them because I don't mess with a lot of the people on here anymore. But that's beyond the point. I have my candles. I have my Polaroid camera. I have my lanyard from high school with a bunch of pins because I go nuts for pins. I have my 540% slug. I have Frida Kahlo. I have my Capricorn. There's like just a bunch of stuff right there. We're not gonna go in depth into that. But so then I have my lamp, And this was from Target. I mean, see what I'm doing there? I'm doing the same thing that someone does. Then, you know, I have this stuff right now because I'm scrapbooking for a project. Usually it's not this messy.
Yeah, normally she's like the most organized.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
I have my notebooks and my oil pastels and all that stuff. My drawers are a mess right now just because, you know, like working on a project, not really the best way to stay organized. But then I have my guitar, my laundry hamper. I have more scrapbook paper there. I have my calendar that I try to keep up with.
Unlike mine.
Yeah, just to like stay organized. And then I have like pictures as a frame for my calendar and just like random letters. This one's for my AM. That one's for my high school teacher. That one's from my fiance. My fiance, me and my sister, just like family and friends. I actually
Oh, if you hear anything, by the way, we have guests over outside. That's why.
Yes.
But, you know, I just got in here and decided to film a room tour. Just girly things.
A nation built on immigration poster. I have Frida Kahlo again.
Cool. And then over here we have our closet. So we both share this, so it's split, and we kind of use this as like the splitter. So this is my stuff. I have all like my sweatshirts and like hoodies and stuff are on these sweater, like these hangers, and then like my everyday t-shirts, because I just hang my t-shirts. I'm weird, I do that. I have them on these hangers that are split hangers. I'm probably gonna get one more of these for my long sleeve t-shirts. I went into college like not filling all these hangers, and now I fill them all because I've been buying way too much stuff, but you know, it'd be like that. Above that, I have all my pants. So like those are shorts, those are jeans, those are comfy and like pajama pants. And then in here I have like tank tops, socks, fuzzy socks, fuzzy socks, fuzzy socks. I have a lot of fuzzy socks. Pillow cover in case I want to change my pillow cover, belt, and then flip-flops. And on the ground I have all 4 of my shoes. I don't own a lot of shoes. I didn't bring a lot of shoes. I actually brought all my shoes, but I don't own a lot of shoes. So that helped that problem. And then my laundry hamper right next to it.
On the top, we have extra stuff that, you know, like we don't use all the time. Simran has her suitcase and stuff under her bed, but I didn't like, you know, putting my stuff under her bed too. Also,
you could have.
Also, I didn't want to like have to take all that out when I have to crawl in there. And get
Oh, that's true. Yeah, I have 2 suitcases under my bed from when I moved in.
So then there's my extra bed covers and stuff. I have all my all my jackets and dresses organized by color. I'm very OCD about stuff.
Unlike me.
Yeah. And then, yeah, that's basically my jackets and my sweaters and stuff. And then under that I have all my shoes. I have a lot of shoes, which, like, obviously I don't have a spot like someone to put them at the bottom. So I'm just gonna, like, put them in there. I'm not gonna open my drawers because they're super dirty, but I have shorts, I have pants, and then I have sleepwear and t-shirts. Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's basically our dorm tour. This video helped you out and you enjoyed it in some way, shape, or form. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you very soon with another one. Bye!